Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to create an anime and cartoon style AI art in MidJourney. Let's get started. First, you need to write a clear and a visual prompt. Start by thinking a character, a scene or setting you want to create. You need to be descriptive. Includes a character appearance, mood or emotion, background setting or action or pose. Like for this example prompt here. Then also you can add an anime or cartoon style keywords. To get the anime or cartoon feel, you want to add style specific keywords like anime style, if anime illustration, cartoon character, manga art, and more. And then you can use the mid-journey parameters for control. Like for example, dash dash AR means aspect ratio, dash dash V mid-journey version, dash dash quality. Then here is the example with a parameters mid-journey for control. You can adjust the variations if you want. And also you can also name drop the famous anime artist or studio to steer the style. And that's it. You're now ready to make a stunning anime cartoon style AI art in MidJourney. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.